Hi everyone. So this is gonna be an epic video in my YouTube channel because this is my first movie review. That's my favorite Master. I'm gonna start with Master. A lot of things to be discussed, but first of all, I'll tell you the story behind how I watched this Master film. See my voice. That's that's still it's poking me out because I just shouted in that Master film. To lead that master film, I had to work very hard because I'm in Kerala and there was an issue that either it would be releasing or not, just like that. I just got the ticket just before 1 day before the release, that too for the town in Kozhikode. Okay, so I was in a situation where to see this wonderful movie at 2 p.m. Already my friends would be watching it down early morning show in Chennai, all these shows. So I used to shut down my phone. I never on internet. I never saw any reviews. I was just like that to watch the movie and then make anything. So I was waiting for it, but suddenly an incident happened. A message came out at 12 p.m. that the movie projector is at repair and all this money would be refunded. I was just like that. Oh my god, for the first time I'm not gonna watch this movie for the first day. I was very vexed, and I just started to go here and there to search out tickets. I was not finding it out, but God's grace, I just got from my hometown itself near my home. That's what, just 1 hour delay. That's 3 o'clock, 3 p.m. I just went for that movie. One of the wonderful moment because one ticket got cancelled and another ticket I just got it. That's one of the epic moment in my life, and that turned me into the supernatural feeling. I'm not able to forget those moments, and this video has been uploaded after 1 week so that every people would be watching all this movie and you would be having that mindset, and that's the reason behind I just thought to do it as a review. So I'm not gonna spoil the story or plot of the movie, but I'll be telling out how the movie goes and how the impact of this movie. So Master film, we were just waiting for 1.5 years. It's about Talapati, Makkal, Selvan, Vijay Sethupathi, uh, other actors, etc. The main focus is all about Vijay was Vijay Sethupathi. You know, from beginning, as usual, if you wish to see as usual Vijay film, it won't be because this is purely Lokesh Kanagaraj film. So from start till the end, day date by date or time by time, we will never feel that, oh my god, what this movie is just like that, why he has done like that. No, you would feel like spontaneous things have been made in this movie. And all these emotions, all those feelings, all this love, all those actions, all those stunt scenes, all these things, when you add it, this movie is something which is unique in this 2021 for Talapati Vijay. And another part is that Vijay Sethupathi is doing a negative role. That is one of the biggest villain in this industry right now. If you watch Vijay Sethupathi's movie, the ever best movie would be Master. One side it was like one introduction scene with Vijay Sethupathi, with another character, a junior character, the power of the intense, and later comes Vijay. Later comes another plot story, an emotional story. Story by story, it was traveling just like that, just like that, just like that. And finally, here come the main focus. And first, it comes interval. We would be thinking about all this. I'm waiting, but this time we were waiting about Vijay and Vijay Sethupathi. Who would be saying I'm waiting? That was an intense fire moment. Where both of them would be meeting through the phone, but not through live, because entire plot of the movie is like they were not meeting. They were just feeling that who is this Vijay Sethupathi? Who is this Vijay? I mean the character. I won't reveal even the name of the character so that you can see the movie just like that. So intense moment was happening in this interval session. I never got up from my seat for buying all the snacks, etc. Because I must not miss this thing, because I never go for any theater other than Talapati Vijay movie. So I just sat there, and I never missed any scenes. The plot was going on just like that. All those sentimental emotion, action sequence are just real, like a real human, how he does a fight just like that, not like any flying fights or any unnatural fights, etc. The intense moment. This movie, if you see Talabati, you won't be you'd be seeing that Talabati with mass element just like that. But in this Talabadi just made some acting level to next level. And all this body sequence, we were waiting for something else that's about the body sequence, how he would show his body six pack or what is that, he made this perfect fit towards his body segment. That was an intense scene. Another thing in this climax session where both Talabadi and Vijay Sethupathi would be meeting, but before that we had something called Kapadi session. All the gilly Vijay, we would be like in theater. It was like I was not able to shout because I was in control. When I entered the theater, I just thought that I must not make any noise like past, but it didn't allow me to do. But my voice just went away. The kabaddi session was another thing with Arjun Das. Arjun Das is something else. Another timer in this movie, because his voice itself is just like that. And with Talapati, you know all this entire session, then comes all the kids performance was just like that. All this emotional segments by all these kids, really really big salute. And yeah, here comes the most expected climax session. I won't reveal how it is, but we would be thinking who would win. So this session was there in our my because of all this teaser. And that session has been, and that intense fight was there. And at last I just thought that Talabati is gonna, yeah, I just thought that that was one of the emotional moment. And I just thought that, yeah, that's one of the Lokesh Kanagaraj movie, and so that we would expect only in that way to end, because usually Talapati won't be ending just like that, right? So I just thought that that would be the last, and I was little sad, but for the surprise, Master was back. Yes, Master was back because there is an intense story behind the victory behind all this Vijay and Vijay Sethupathi. So finally, who would be winning? I will not say you, but yeah, Talapati made one of the highlighted role in this Master and just made that Master film to another level. There is no negative thing at all in this movie. Song wise also, it was traveling just like that. BGM, BGM, we must appreciate Anirudh, because without this music and with this introduction scenes, all this music, you won't be able to enjoy this movie. Anirudh done his best in his career. This is one of the important movie for both Talapati and Vijay Sethupathi to bring back all these audience towards the theater, because it was just like that. After 9 to 10 months, we must see movie in theater. I was seeing all these things. First of all, I went inside the theater. I just noticed all these speakers, all these project rooms. I mean, just I was peeping it out just like this. It was something called, after a long gap, I'm entering into a theater. That was an intense feel for me. Usually I just go solo, I just rock solo, and I was rocking solo inside Master. Many other YouTubers would be telling in a way to hate or hurt this Master film, but I just tell you in a positive way. It's not because I'm a Talabadi fan. As a general audience, if you compare of all these Talabadi movies, this particular movie would be so energetic. All this family people, anyone can come and enjoy this in theater. After a long gap, to come into a theater to bring out people. It's just because of Vijay and Vijay Sethupathi. And all the suspense elements, like you would be seeing Lokesh Kanagraj in it, you would be seeing all these technical people in it, an intense fire would be seeing in this entire master film. Many new actors are there inside this, old actors, many things are there. You know, heroines, everything. Everyone perform their role as best as possible. There is no place for to pinpoint and tell this as they done a negative role, they done this, they some can be improved, this thing, that thing, etc. It's easy to poke people just like that to tell, but to shoot, to edit, to direct, it's just only persons who have this creativity can do it. So don't tell all those negative things, because there is huge pressure between each and every directors, good directors. I don't support any bad directors or bad movies. For the good movies, I would stand tall. And when you see this is one of the important highlight thing in this entire master movie. Many people will be wearing this, and this is one of the important session. You would see this movie, you would be seeing this particular this thing. that's gonna be one of the highlighting scene in this master film. Okay, so I think Talabadi has made this highlighting role in this master, and I have no words to explain it out, because it's not because I'm Talabadi fan. It's more than that. You know, the hard work has given this victory. So people must enjoy watching this master film. Whatever it is, move your sadness apart. Watch this master. You would be happy. Master is something like just like that. A shake towards all our problems and all this pain, etc. So I hope I have covered the entire review without revealing the story, because I just wish to review it different. And next review would be made only if there is a good film is made. So I'm gonna be a different YouTuber, just reviewing the best film in this industry, not each and every film. So with that thought, I'm ending this video. Hope you have enjoyed this session. So take care. Have a nice day.